Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.